What's good, beautiful people? Today we about to watch a few clips of Mother Nature versus people. Appreciate everyone that take the time to drop a comment. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And without too much long talking, let's get to the video. Whoa.
A Frenchman has no problem driving his Range Rover through deep waters.
What? Bro. You can make it.
Bro!
What the heck? Oh my god, no way. Hold on. They actually capable of doing that? Because that's crazy, fam. And he glassed down? So like in the water getting in the Jeep or... No, that's different. That's just different. The hell is that? It's so windy, dude. It's like, nah, that wind would carry him, bro.
This proved to be ineffective on this windy day in London.
London. Wow. Oh. Holy crap. Bro. Look. Wow. I wonder how much people like the thin people, the petite people, who this wind could possibly fling around. I wonder how much of them like get fling off the road or like in the road or like wait off the sidewalk or in the road. Like, cause it look like plenty of them get fling, especially the set with the umbrella because the umbrella can retain some of the wind and then, you know, fling you with it. Wow. What the hell? What kind of coloring is this?
A storm comes out of nowhere and surprises beachgoers in Russia.
Russia. Okay. Oh. Holy crap. Fam. First of all, that ain't a regular storm. That's hail, bro. You about to get multiple concussions playing out there. What? Wow. I just want to say I'm truly glad I don't be nowhere where it's hail. Yet again, I just be places where it's hurricane and all that crap. Uh-oh. What would that call? Salute to you, my boy. You just escaped suffocation. Yeah, so it wouldn't be drowning, so it's suffocation. He just would suffocate under the ice if he got caught. Right? Yeah.
Mother Nature decides to crash a wedding
Holy
in
crap.
Hawaii.
Holy crap. Holy crap. I honestly hope them people drunk, because for me, their reaction time a bit too slow. From I see that water coming, bro. I done in the front yard. I probably in the car. No way, bro. That's a boat? Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Sea rough. Yeah, on them cruises, if sea start to get rough, about to be a bumpy ride. Hope you don't get seasickness, cuz you better have your patch or patches.
Some strong winds in Ireland.
Ireland, right? Okay. Okay. It's like they trying to work out. Another Jeep? Bro. Wow, bro. Holy crap. I starting to feel motivated to get one of them because them Jeeps look like they could go through anything, any weather, any terrain. It don't matter. Like it just could go.
Teenager decides to endure the incoming hail for a video.
Tyler, get in here! Oh, Tyler, get in here!
Bruh. Bruh.
Please get in here!
More like a teenager decides to be a dunce for a certain period of time in his life. That's what that is.
If you go out there, you don't know where you're going. This is gonna be awesome.
Is that the desert? No, that ain't the desert. I can't be the desert.
This is incredible. Like,
Where is that?
I love being in the middle of this, and it's just the coolest feeling.
Bro.
I can't see anything. I don't know where I'm at. Where my bike is. Yeah!
What the hell?
Let's go! This is freaking awesome! It's amazing!
Bro, is that sand? How are you riding bike on the sand? That's one. Two, why are you even out there, bro? So you inhaling all of that dust? You breathing in all of that dust? There's no way that healthy, bro. You have to be sick when you get home. There's no way that's worth it. I don't think that's worth it. That makes no sense. They can need to do one of them, what's that thing? They stick up one nostril, shoot the water up, and then like the saline flush. He can need that. There's no way that is doctors recommended.
Skier outruns an avalanche in the most epic way possible.
Oh, it's a bit, this, this man dangerous. What the? This man damn near 5 seconds away from unaliving himself. Well, the snow unaliving him. And he got time to do backflips. Hey, when you know you're talented, you just do what you do. Wow, bro.
About to give up.
That's a lot of work.
Oh
Oh,
my.
you can do it.
Oh wow.
Come on.
Take us out.
You can do it, Tibbs. Almost there.
That
Look at
is thick snow.
This is what scientists have to do almost every day in Antarctica.
Okay. Bruh. Man. Bro. First of all, I know that different because Antarctica is like -1,000. So I know that's super cold. And if it's windy, that beyond super cold. And they ain't look like they fully clothed enough. I'm sorry. I can need but 10 more layers. Man. Salute to all the mad scientists out there in Antarctica though. Doing a great job. What are they doing? You taking a picture? Is they windsurfing? What are they doing? Are they holding each other together to like not fly away? They look like they're windsurfing. Holy crap, that was stupid. Okay. Superman. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Soldiers have some fun and run headfirst into a dust devil.
Bruh. 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 Bam. No way, bro. No way, bro. There's no way. This how I know soldiers have a different type of mentality. They got a tank right there. And you got time to play up in a big lump of sand spinning around itself? Ain't no way, bro. If that's what they call fun, I scared. Ooh. That's a nice one.
That's awesome.
Wow.
Go!
Don't fall.
And lock.
Oh, wow. That person petty. You won't go inside, stay out there for a while. Ah.
Professional divers use the waves to their advantage during a training exercise.
Say what? Oh my goodness. Whoa. You see that psycho? This dude jump off at the peak of the wave. Whoa, that's different. I guess that's what they call fun. Because if you jumping off at the peak of the wave, by the time as you reach the water, the wave done down, so you have more distance in the air. That makes sense? Yeah, I think it does. Hmm. Oh, at least they're able to push it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh! Oh wow. Where it is? Oh, right over there. Holy crap. Y'all see that, right? At first I thought that was a cat, but it looked like a rabbit. Oh my goodness. That's nice. That rabbit managed to stay above the snow. That's real cool.
Camping in Greenland seems to be quite the mission.
Whoa. Bro. Bro? I'm sorry. That can't be me, brother. That thing they under look thinner than a piece of plastic. Ain't no way. Mm-mm. First of all, you look like you sleeping on ice. That's a whole problem for me. I'm sorry. And I like the cold. But that different. For me, that's instant hypothermia. I'm sorry. That ain't gonna work. Let there be rain. Oh, wow.
I've never seen such good weather before. Everyone's enjoying themselves. It's just fantastic.
Just protect your head, bro. You could be alright. That's them thin hail. I mean, they probably could sting more, but he could be alright. They ain't gonna cause like no major concussions. I saw some set with some big hail what could knock you out. Oh. Fam, why the hell don't you put this sign down flat? Because if you hold it up, the wind will push you with it. That makes no sense, bro. Put the sign flat. Oh, holy crap. She need to walk around with a 20-pound vest. My goodness. That piece of wind say where you get off taking 10 steps on me. Go back 20.
Free driver doesn't let a little flood stop him from making his quota.
Okay. Yeah, bro. You get your job done. Yeah. Oh. Quality service. Shout out to him. Thanks for watching. Those are some clips of some people versus nature. Don't forget to tap the like and drop a comment on what you think. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. See you in the next one.